Hey you guys, we're gonna make a simple DIY gift for Halloween, and this is for the aftercare ladies. And what I mean for that is before and after. It's for the teachers that take care of your kids before school starts. So you can go to work. They take care of your kids before school starts. They're really sweet. These two ladies always help me out. Like, oh my God, Antonio didn't eat his breakfast, or Antonio didn't, didn't use the bathroom. Like, they're always on it. They're taking care of my boys. Now I'm gonna give them this is the rainbow scented hand sanitizer. So I'm gonna do one of these. I thought these were so cute, you guys. And to make them more Halloween, I'm gonna glue on these charms. Tell me what you guys think. How cute are these? It's two ladies and they help me out. They're amazing. I'm going to be using the tacky glue, which I will link on my Amazon storefront or on my Walmart. And this is going to dry. Don't think it's not. It's going to dry. I'm just going to put it in the bag. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to overflow. I'm going to add it right there. And I don't want it to block where you spray it. So right there is good. I'm going to let that dry. And give it some time. It will dry. I already tested it out. You know, I have to test it out for you guys because I don't want it to. Like, I should have did this yesterday at night, but I had so much going on. We're going to let that dry. I'm going to close up the glue. And we're going to keep going. So while that's drying, we're going to keep going. Now, I am going to give them a gift card. How cute are these? I made these. You guys, I have the template. If you want me, I will sell it to you. Once you have the template, you can use it to make any kind. Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's, whatever. But the template does cost money, so I'll sell it to you. Look how cute that is. So I'm going to use the purple ones. No, you know what? I'm going to use... These two are pretty. And that was paper that Chrissy sent me. I love when she sends me paper. I go through it so fast, you guys. It doesn't seem like it, but I go through it fast. And for them, I'm going to be giving them a gift card. And I think I'm going to do... Let me see which one. Okay, you guys, so for them, I'm going to do, I kind of wanted to do the McDonald's. Because there's a Starbucks there, but there's also a McDonald's. So I kind of want to do the McDonald's, but I'm not sure if I should do Starbucks. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I'm sure they like both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do... I'm going to do the McDonald's for them. Okay? So let's do that really quick. So I'm going to add the McDonald's gift cards in here. How cool is that? 1, 2. Can you guys see over there? Yeah. 2. Okay, so I thought, why not do the bags? Why not put a spin on it like I always do? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna add these. I know I used these last year and I thought they were so cute, and when I saw the ghost, I'm like, why not stick to the ghost theme? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece of paper off here so I can use it. Wow, that was hard to cut. I don't know why. Okay. So we're going to use the paper. And we're going to use the scraper. This paper is my favorite. I'm going to link it down below. I use the grid lines to help me out. Just to guide me, because it's kind of hard if you don't. I'm going to use my scraper. which I'll link down below on my Amazon storefront. This is the extra large and it's my favorite because I need the extra large. Make sure the back is on there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lift it gently, and then you are going to place it right in the middle, whatever the middle is to you. And then with your fingers or with a scraper, in case you don't want to leave no air bubbles. If you put it wrong, crooked or whatever, don't lift it. It's not gonna lift. It's gonna destroy the whole thing. Do me a favor, don't lift it. You lost it. You're just gonna have to hand it in like that, and it's okay. Nobody's gonna judge you. It's a DIY. You're being nice. There's something sweet you're doing for somebody for Halloween, you know. So don't get mad. Don't stress over a DIY. If it's crooked, if it's backwards, if you messed up, just keep going. Nobody's gonna judge you. If they like the bag, they'll keep it. Most of the time, people just throw them out. I could have added their name as well, but I was thinking no. Be super careful. Go super slow when you're doing these projects because you saw how that lifted. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Like always. You guys always say that. How cool is that? The rest can be garbage. You can reuse it if you want to. It's optional. You know, it's up to you. We're going to keep going. Okay. So, how cute are the bags? First of all, they came out adorable. I want you to get the glare. But how cute is that? I would be happy to get a bag like this. I'm going to open them up. I'm going to open up the other one. Okay. So the hand sanitizer, is it dried yet? No, it's not, but it's drying. It's going to dry. And then once it does, it's not going to lift. Okay, so we'll leave that to dry. I'm going to place that in. But first, what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and add 2 of the lip glosses. And you can pick these up at the Dollar Tree. How cute are these? They love makeup. So I'm like, man, what can I add in here? I went to the dollar store and these were there. So I'm like, I'm going to add these. I'm going to add the pumpkin hand sanitizer, which I love. And this is the new one, the spray one. How cute is this? They are teachers, so they'll appreciate the hand sanitizer for sure. The pumpkin one. And then I'll put this one in the front. So with that one, I kind of want to put it in some orange tissue. Okay? Because I don't want it to fall out or nothing. I'm going to put this one in the front. But I want to put that in orange tissue. What do you guys think? I'm going to split that in half. And I'm going to add it like this. So I'm going to package it up just like a gift. I don't want to press on it because I want it to dry. I don't want the thing to fall out. But how adorable is that? Like that right there is adorable. If you want to hand it in like that, this is perfect, you guys. Like this is perfect. Because I kind of want the tissue to come out. That makes sense. And right there are your gifts. Now you can add a little bit of chocolate. I was gonna add some chocolate, but I can't. There's no room for it. But that's okay because I can make the chocolate into something else. Like little. How cute are these? I love that the bag matches with the hand sanitizer. So it's like the orange theme. I really like that. What do you guys think? Yeah, they're cute, right? You can show up with a couple of those for the aftercare teachers, the principal, the assistants. They never get anything. They're the assistants, but the poor ladies, they never get anything. So I thought that would be cute. one last thing I made. How cute are these? So I'm gonna put one from Antonio and one from Manuel, so they know who gave it to them. And since Manuel likes to tell everybody his last name, I'm gonna write it there, and then I'm gonna write Antonio's. But what do you guys think? I'm using like this chalk, which I could have used obviously my Cricut and printed it, but I didn't. But I think that looks good, no? I still think the kids voted. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this ribbon that Chrissy gave me. I'm gonna cut it in half, and it just, cause it's a short little, I don't wanna make it too big. If the hole isn't big enough, use your hole puncher. They sell one at the Dollar Tree. If you can't go out to the Dollar Tree, I'll post one on my Amazon storefront for you, because I know how tough times are. People are not going out anyways right now. So I would love to post one for you. And you move it on right here. And that is freaking adorable. How cute did this come out? These are Manuel's. Now, you can cut the ribbon shorter if you want, because these bags are on the short side. Or you can leave them long. I don't mind. I think it's cute, the little spider thing. I'm gonna have this, you see how I did that? And then you bring it around, and then you're gonna make the knot here. You're gonna hold this down just a little bit so it doesn't, you're gonna pull it up. And there you go. You have a cute, beautiful, easy, super easy, and expensive. You want to make it expensive, give them $100, give them $50 gift card, make it $100 to McDonald's. But this is really affordable, super easy, and I think they're gonna love it. I hope they love it. I hope you guys love it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye you guys.